Hey guys, so today I'm going to open up my second Shopkins blind basket. I've already opened up one, and I got this guy and this guy. So yeah, and today I'm going to open up this one, and I had 3, now I have 2. Oopsies. So yeah, let's open up this one. Hoping that, crossing our fingers, that we don't get doubles, because last time I did get double, which was this one. But yeah, now let's open up this one. Just letting you guys know, I do not have any of these on the picture. I do not have Apple Blossom. I do not have Delish Donut. I do not have, I don't know which one, I don't know his name. He's a limited edition one. I do not have Posh Pear. And I have Lippy Lips, but I don't have Wishes. So here's a little basket if you've never seen them. Finally found them at Toys R Us. So hard to find. Like, seriously, so hard to find. Now we're just going to open this up. See what we get inside. And here are the yellow bags. So, don't tell me if you want another double. Nope, I don't. And I know which one this is, but I'm not going to tell you guys. I don't know if I'm going to use scissors. Actually, I do. Yes! Breadhead! And it's not the pink one. I knew we had Breadhead in here. Yay, I love Breadhead. So let's see what we get in our second phone bag. Ooh, this one's small. Feels with like... Yes, I know what it is. That's not what it is. It's Pineapple Crush. Just open it up and get it out. Yep, it is Pineapple Crush. Yay, no double silver. I'm so happy. Here's how it looks like. So yeah, I'm so happy that we got them. And I hope you guys enjoyed my second video of Shopkins. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.